market. Stanleo Forex, he rise when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, you see it, then he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rise when the chart shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
Okay. It's been a while.
Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology steady when it shakes. One precise entry, then he let it be. He see it clear when the crowd get loud, he disappear. He train the youth line by line, give him real knowledge, no wasted time.
Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market.
Stanleo Forex, you see it and he target. No precision in his hands, the clear repeat.
Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market.
Stanleo Forex, he rise when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
Okay, guys, double tap on your screens and share. It's been a while I came online, right? It's been a while. I don't know why this live stream stuff it sometimes gets me on. I'll be showing my stuff soon. Oh, wait. Let's TikTok.
You see it and he targets. He let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rise when they charge it. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't take so.
It's been a while since came live. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Guys, it's been a while. I came online. Double tap. Double tap. Friends. Guys, double tap and share the live stream.
He training you line by line, give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, you see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rise when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how start to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle.
Guys, but I don't want that because
No rush moves, let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat.
when I promise, it gets worse. So I'm not going to promise that I'm going to be on active demand, but I'm trying to do a 30 days live stream with Stanleo live. Like, guys, you have to pray for me. You have to seriously pray for me so that um I get the heart to be online 247. I get the heart because I don't know why or who is stopping me from coming online. But guys, guys, double tap and share, to your friends. Share all your it's about 200 people live sharing. Guys, double tap, share. Let the people join. Let over 200 people join live today. I want to see a lot of active traders. So, guys, double tap and share. It's been a while. I came on. What happened with accounts? I think when live streams continuously for a while. So TikTok actually restricted me from doing some lives, and also myself personally, I wasn't active too. So let's share the screen. Enough of the chat. Can you guys see me? If you can see me, let me know. Loud, say loud and clear. Just let me know if you can see me. If you can see me, let me know that you can see me. And then if you can see my chats too, let's go. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap. Don't lose. And so that guys, don't 20 friends, 20 friends. So the chat is not showing. Oh really? What's up? What's up? I'm sure it's supposed to show. Guys, double tap. I think maybe it's a network. It's a network. So let's double and
when the target out eat this he training you line by line, give real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, we see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex.
Can you see it now?
Wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
Okay, can you guys see me? Am I clear now? If I'm clear, let me know. Yeah, if that's great. That's great. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you. And thank the thing. Yes. So let me just increase a little bit. Okay, now I think I'm done. Now guys, double tap and share, double tap and share. You guys should share the live stream now. Share the live stream now. Let people join. Let people join. I um yesterday night we had some beautiful analysis, and then I told you that we are looking at what gold, silver, BTC, Ethereum, GBP, NZD. Okay, GBP, NZD, and on the Syntex platform, we were we if the song is also loud, let me know. Okay, if the song is very loud, to let me know so that I reduce it. Okay, so I told you people that I don't only trade forex. Okay, I don't only trade forex. Statistics also. So statistics on VIX 25, and we did VIX 10, we did VIX 100, and then we did VIX 75, and almost all the analysis we did yesterday night is moving our direction. Okay, this is the analysis on gold that we did. I am anticipating that gold will sell down to this big buy or possible monitoring zone, but I actually marked this place as also a key level for us because I am expecting that gold might react there, but possibility of gold breaking out here to this place is also possible. Okay, so we're just going to wait for confirmation on this zone. If market gives us a clear confirmation here, we buy from there. But if it doesn't, then we look out for what a sell entry at this place, and then we sell to what this monitor all the street buy zone. So these are my two. So who want to join my free VIP? So I have actually introduced a free VIP currently. So for the free VIP, you can contact me. So I add you to my free VIP. It's for free. You're not paying anything. I have the paid and then the free. So there are conditions with the free VIP and then the paid VIP. So, but then I'm not pushing the paid VIP. If you want to be in the paid, that's fine. But then I'm pushing the free VIP. You can text my support assist like the support line. Don't call the support line. You can the support line, then add you. They'll link you up to the page. They'll the link to join. Okay, and free membership. Actually told people that I'll be teaching most all the courses for free. Like if you want to learn SMC, IC, whatever, all those things, I'll be teaching them for free. So free mentorship on ICT, whatever, all those courses that you find online. Yeah, I would be doing videos on them for free. And the only course that I do, I charge for is my personal strategy. My personal strategy. But then if you need the general knowledge of the course, why don't you pay for it? That how I approach the rest are free. You can text the support line, and then you trade gold, silver, BTC, Ethereum, GBP, LED, and then when it comes to the synthetics, I trade VIX 25, VIX 10, VIX 100, and then VIX 75. So these are the pairs that I actually trade. Okay. So let's copy this. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. I don't know why the Telegram community is not responding. They're supposed to, most of them are supposed to join the live now. I don't know. Some of them don't like. I don't know why people don't like. They don't like TikTok. I don't know what is wrong, but then, guys, let's go up. Let's go up. We are at 16. Let's go up. Let's go up. Those who just joined, let's move to about 200 today. I want to see about 200 live active traders, because let's go up. Let the numbers go up. Give an analysis on BTC. And guys, you cannot be missing my setups, guys. You cannot be missing my setups, because if you miss my setup, it will shock you. This is my BTC setup. Ken Blexy question. What question, please? Ken Blexy, what is the question? Guys, you cannot be missing my setups. It gets crazy sometimes. I gave this setup, I think, the last time. Those of you in my community, in my VIP and stuff, you know, I shared this and I told you, I even posted it on X, and I told you people that BTC is dropping to 70K. If market gives us that confirmation, that clarity, BTC is dropping to 70K, and BTC is currently doing so. BTC is around 72. I'm expecting BTC to hit 70K, around $70,000. Then we can look for buy positions on BTC. And those in my synthetics, yeah, Kim Blacks, yeah, I hope you are in my. Are you not in my community? Because I think this thing I've shared before. I've spoken about it. Yes, with $10 we trade synthetics. Yeah, with $10 you can trade synthetics. It's simple. I actually gave a synthetic setup last week. Those of you in my VIP, the synthetic setup is still running on VIX 25. It's still running till now. Yesterday I gave the analysis even online. VIX 25 is going to go to sell. Okay, VIX 25 is going to continue to sell, and you can see it's still selling. So guys, you don't have to miss my platform. You don't have to miss my community. If you want to be part of it, you have to just text my support line, and then they will add you to the page, or you can check my bio and join my main community. Yeah, guys, it's like that. Trading is not complicated. Okay, trading is not complicated. You just need the right knowledge, and then you trade. Guys, double tap. Let's hit about 50K on likes, right? Let's go, guys. I'm going to be sharing a lot of knowledge on the financial market. That is, I think everybody is expected to know this, right? Everybody is expected to know this. Maybe I'll be talking about other blogs. I'll be talking about confirmations, what you have to look at if market has to buy, the confirmations that you'll be looking for, the simple stuff that you need to know as a trader. These things must not be yeah. So apart from VIX 25, which of the synthetic can you trade on with $10? Okay, so apart from VIX 25, I think VIX 10, you can also trade VIX 10. I did analysis on VIX 10. yesterday too. Extend right now. You can VIX drop to this and has actually moved and it's going down. So you cannot be playing with my setups, guys. Yeah, hello. You there?
One precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear, clear when the target.
Oh, okay. Okay, sure. Guys, double tap. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap. Guys, double tap and share the live stream. Guys, double tap and share the live stream.
When the candle he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, so weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, inside in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Walking like a jungle, he move like a king.
Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap and share the live stream. Guys, double tap and share the live stream. Double tap and share the live stream. And so I did analysis on VIX 75 also, and then VIX 75 has also pushed down to where I told you that VIX 75 was going to get. So the analysis we did yesterday night, it's all playing out. Almost all the analysis are playing out perfectly. Okay, so we did, I think, VIX 100 too, and then VIX 100. I told you I was already having the analysis. Oh, this guy, what's up?
Stanleo forex on a track on face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path, get paid. Like psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear, clear when the target loud, he disappear. He training you line by line, give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stand up for X, eagle on the market. Stand up for X, we see it and he target. Don't
Double and share the live stream. Double tap and share the live stream. Right. Double tap and share the live stream.
he don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
And share, guys. Double tap and share. 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 Double tap and share.
Inside his lane, turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Shop on the detail, get a whole thing sing.
Guys, double tap and share. So this is my setup on gold. I'm still expecting more sales on gold, right? I'm still expecting more sales on gold. And then I had I think silver on Friday, last week Friday, we had this silver setup, and then the silver setup was very powerful, and you realize that silver has sold. It nearly took us out on the SL, but silver sold and gave us about 50% profit. You can see that silver has given almost 50%. It just didn't come to the final TP, right? It didn't come to the final TP, but then silver has almost how many? Let's calculate the number of pips. Silver gave about 200 pips. Yes, 200 pips on the market, and then it has reversed. Okay, so that is what market has done, and so possibility of most of you break even hit is high. If not for the first time, probably the first time break even. And then I still told you yesterday that I'm expecting that what I'm expecting that gold is supposed silver is supposed to sell, right? That is it. So this one is supposed to be like 1:3. Okay, if we targeted up to this place, it would have been just a 1:3 setup. But I am looking at the 1:5, 5.15 risk to reward ratio. Oh, Abeku, you hopped on boom thousand and crash, but I didn't give analysis on boom thousand. Yes, boom and crash. They have some kind of I've not analyzed them. I don't normally analyze. It's mostly the volatility pairs that I do. So VIX 10, VIX 100, VIX 25, VIX 75, VIX 50. Those are the ones that I mostly look out. But there is step index, there is boom and crash, there is jump, there is all a lot. But I don't do them. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap. Let's go to 50K likes. Double tap and let's go. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rise when the chart shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he own the market hard. Yeah. Guys, double tap and share the. So the analysis, if you want to be part of the community, and then look out for opportunities and on trades and stuff, guys, you can hit me up. So let's go back to gold. I'm still expecting gold to sell. Okay, I'm still expecting gold to sell from this. So we might be looking for an opportunity to sell gold. We might be looking for an opportunity to sell gold or an opportunity to buy gold. This is anywhere you see me map with a green, this thing is my key level. It's a place that I'm looking for what? An opportunity to buy or sell on the market. Wisdom in his own, chase the market, he on the market hard. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline line. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hit the whole thing. Sing eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, you see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex when the charge. Patience in his chest, in his heart. He know the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. Stanleo Forex on a chart come face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it shakes.
One precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear, clear when the crowd get loud, he disappear.
Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live stream. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm still looking at gold. Else, those of you.
He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the descender line. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, short, or weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hit the whole thing. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market.
Guys, double tap and share the live stream. We have 10K likes now. Let's go to about 100 to 200K likes, guys. Let's go to about 100 to 200K likes. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Guys, double tap, double tap. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. We are looking for an opportunity to sell. Okay, so I'll be looking at the region where gold is at now. I'll be looking for confirmation to sell gold. Okay, where gold is at now, I'll be looking for confirmation around this key level. So I'll be looking around this place for any possibility of sales. Okay, all what am I seeing? I'm kind of head and shoulder. Okay, head in here. Market should get to this place. We look out for that kind of curve. You get it? Markets giving us that curve here. Okay, it looks like markets comes place and then it sells to the down. Currently looking at the market will do something like that, and then we sell to this monitor zone. And if market should go down, we should expect market coming down to at least this place, and then we look forward buy setups. So that is what I'll be looking on gold now. Until then, I'm not looking for buys at where it is now. Okay, I'm not looking at buys at where it is now. So if you are looking for buys, then probably that is your own strategy or your own setup. But then I am not looking for buys. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Guys, double tap and share the live stream. The zone where gold is at, you are not expecting sell. So I'm not sure most of you, if you are in a trade and then you want to enter into the trade, I'm not sure this place is a good place to buy until I get the clear confirmation. Then I can say that we are buying, but then until then I won't say we are buying. But I am fully confident of BTC sales. I've given this setup, I think, the whole of last week. J Blue, how are you doing? So it's BTC. I'm expecting more drops, and if I'm expecting more sales on BTC, then it should also affect what? It should also affect gold and silver sales. Okay, so we should be expecting a little bit of more sales on gold and then silver. Who? Guys, double tap and share. Share.
Jump on the detail, whole thing, eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula.
Double tap, share, share the live stream, share the live stream.
Eagle on the market, stand up for it. You see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory on me. Stand up for it. Eagle on the market. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
So Denzel, you said you have a change of character on the higher time frame. And so what do you think God is gonna do? What do you think God is gonna do? What do you think God is going to do?
Stanleo forex on the chart come face. Reads the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get paid. Like psychology, steady when it shakes. One precise entry, then he let it bake. He see it clear, clear. When the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you, line by line. Give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stand low for X, eagle on the market. Stand low for X, if you see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory on repeat. Stand low for X, eagle on the market. Stand low for X, he rides when
Guys, so Denzel, I'm still talking to you. You said Gold didn't have a change of character on higher time frame. I'm expecting probably what expecting on Gold. Let me know. I am still sales on BTC. This setup was shared last week, and market triggered it perfectly, and BTC has run down seriously.
Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stand low for X, eagle on the market. Stand low for X, you see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stand low for X, eagle on the market. Stand low for X, he rides when the chart shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
Guys, double tap and share the live.
Stanleo forex on the chart come face. Reads the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get paid. Right side, G steady way. One precise entry, then he let it be. He see it clear, clear. When the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you, line by line. Give him real knowledge, no way.
Guys, double tap, and share. Tap and double tap. I think Denzel has not been able to communicate back, so I'll just keep on. Um,
read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves forex. He go to market, Stanleo forex. He see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo forex. He go to the market, Stanleo forex. He rise when the chart shifts. Patience in his chest.
Guys, double tap and share the live. Tap double check, double tap, share the live. Gone offline. Hey, guys.
Then he let it play. He see it clear when the crowd get loud. He feel there. Really, you line by line, give him real knowledge, no waste of time. Stand up for X, he go on the market. Stand up for X, he see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory on repeat. Stand up for X, he go on the market. Stand up for X, he rides when the charge shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
Guys, double tap and share. I'm still looking at BTC sales, and then let's go to gold. Gold is not pushing up for me. Gold is not giving me the clarity that you're supposed to have for the sales. Gold is still looking like bullish. Gold is still looking bullish, and silver is also giving us some bullish move. Okay, silver is also giving us some bullish move, and so guys, can you see my setup? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Guys, is yes. Okay, great. Thank you, NKB IT Solutions. I don't know. Okay, NKB. Yeah, I think guys, I spoke to you yesterday or something. Mia Kwesi Nijila. I think I don't know you personally. Guys, double tap. I'm still expecting a drop on BTC. I expect BTC to hit 70K by the end of this week. We should see BTC at 70K. That's my expectation. If it hits full TP 70K, then I know that what BTC is now coming to prepare to buy. And that is what I'm expecting, guys.
Mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market. Stanleo for X, you see it any target. No rush moves, let the balance speak. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market. Yeah.
Yeah, so um guys, let's look at this.
Stand up for X on a track and face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait.
Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live stream. Double tap and share the live.
Right psychology, steady when it shakes. One precise entry, then he let it be. He see it clear, clear when the crowd get loud, he disappears.
Double tap and share the live stream. Double tap.
No wasted time. Stand up for X.
It's been a while I came online, so you people are treating me bad, right? That's normal. Guys, double tap. This is not gold. This is BTC. This is BTC. I'm still expecting more sales on BTC, and then I'm expecting sales on gold too. Yes, I'm expecting sales on gold, but gold is refusing to respond at the moment. Gold is refusing to respond. But let's look at this level. Okay, let's look at this level. Let's look at this key level. It's very important. Let's look at that key level. So if market responds there, so where gold is at now is a very good zone, but I'm still waiting. Let's go to the 2 hour time frame to see what's up. Now I'll be expecting reactions at this place. Okay, now if I get the clarifications around this zone, this key level, we would jump in a sell on this level. But if it still doesn't get to this place, then we would what? We'll be looking for the sales from this place. I'm still expecting more sales, in as much as market is looking a little bit bullish. I'm still looking for more sales, in as much as market is looking more bullish. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Double tap, 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 double tap. Guys, double tap and share the live. I'm waiting for the final confirmation to sell gold. Okay, I'm waiting for the final confirmation to sell gold, because what I'm looking at is I'm not seeing gold push up. I'm not seeing gold buy. I'm seeing gold sell. Gold is expected to sell at least to this level for us to look out for buys. So this is the level I'll be monitoring. That is the 4460 region. That's where I'll be looking for a buy setup. And if market doesn't give us a confirmation of buy setup at that region, then we will be looking for what? The buy setup at my strict buy. That is my major. All these levels are important key levels for me. So I'll be expecting that market will buy around those with a little bit of liquidity. So this is the order block I'm looking at. Okay, this is the order block I'm looking at. So I'm looking at markets retesting this order block, because and what is basically an order block? Boss, provide a setup so that I can pass the funded account first phase. Oh, okay. Don't worry. Don't. We will get a setup to sell gold. I'm just waiting for confirmation and then we'll jump it. So don't worry. If I see it clear, I would give us a sell setup on gold, which I'm sure we are going to milk it and then um, get you funded, right? Get you past your first phase. And so I'm still looking at this. This zone is very important. Okay. This zone right now is very important. The reason why market bought was because here was a key level. It's an area of what? Interest. Okay. So market is reacting at that place. And so right now, I am just waiting for what the reactions will do. Whatever thing that market does, we might get what? An entry to sell, and then we will sell from there to the major this buy place. If we don't want to, most of the time I tell people, if you don't want to be a liquidity on the market most of the times, sometimes the nearest zones you just put your TP there and then you just milk it. So if you are going to be looking for opportunity, we are going to be looking for these sales. If market gives me the clear confirmation, we are going to be looking for sell opportunities at this place. And then let's do a tight stop loss, very tight stop loss like that. Let me see how many pips we are going to risk on gold. Right now gold, I wish we could do a very tight stop loss, like 100 pips stop loss. Let's do 100 pips stop loss. So this is 100 pips stop loss, and then three at this place. Let's do 100 pips. I don't want over risking on gold, but sometimes when you do just this small and pips, sometimes you have to do 200. But let's do 100 pips stop. And so this is what where I will be expecting gold to respond, react, and then give us a drop on the market. So this is going to be a 1:6 risk to reward ratio. 1:6 risk to reward ratio. If market gives us the confirmation, we are selling gold from here to that place. And then let's see if there is news on the market today, so that we know how to respond to market. Because market, that's 2 p.m. there is news, and then we have about few minutes more for Powell speaks and all that. There is a lot of news. There's a lot of news. There's a lot of news. Three news. 12:30 a.m. we have first news, and then 2 p.m. we have the second news. Okay, so let's see what market will do. Let's see what market will do. I'm still watching this place, and so this place, I'm just hoping market respects that place so that we can sell. I'm just hoping market respects it, so we sell.
Precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear when the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you line by line, give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, if you see it any target, no rush move, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rides when the chart shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle.
Let me see. I think somebody has given me something to. Let me check for lab USDT. Let me analyze. Let me see this. Okay, let's go to lab. Let me analyze something for some. I'm just analyzing something. Okay, I'm just analyzing a pair for somebody. to see how market is going to respond. We had a breakout, very strong breakout with a lot of this thing. So we should be expecting a push down. Let's go to 4 hour.
Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp eyes. Knows when to wait, no slide. He don't chase candles, he don't bust the trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it be. He see it clear, clear. When the crowd get loud, he disappear. He train the youth, line by line. Give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, you see it.
So I'll be expecting
Let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, he rides when the charge shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah.
I'll be expecting, if market is expected to sell, we'll be looking for a little bit of buy up again. Let's this formation finish, and then we get an entry around this place.
Inside in his lane, turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stand up for it. Eagle on the market, stand up for it. You see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stand up for it. Eagle on the market, stand up for it. He rides when the charge shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. Stand low forex on the chart come face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path gets made. Right psychology, steady when it shakes.
Yeah, so Vim, the biggest guy. What's up? I actually didn't see. I was just analyzing something to someone. I just you're also on the page though, so I think maybe you see what I was doing. How far? How far? It's been a while I came online, oh, so my people are trying to disappoint me, but then no shame. I have to be consistent with the live streams, right? It takes a lot of consistency to get the people to be used to it. So I think from now I'll be trying a 30 days live stream to see how. Yeah. I'll be trying a 30-day live stream sessions, and I think I have to put you on one of the sessions. What do you think? You also share something. Should we have a live session together? Yeah, I'm trying to do back to back, but Charlie, me, I don't know why I am allergic. I'm allergic to online too much. I like making videos and posting them rather than being online. Yeah, so that's the only issue with me. But then I think I'll try my best. Because um we need to do a lot. Guys, I told you about VIX 25. Those of you in the VIP in the synthetics, you can see what is happening. It's going down. It's going down like crazy. So VIX 10 2, I told you live yesterday when we did the live session. I told you that VIX 10 is also going to drop from where it is, and it's doing that perfectly. VIX 75, let's see what it is also doing. I told you people, VIX 75 might respond at that key level, and you can see that VIX 75 is responding perfectly. We did this thing yesterday live. Oh. We had our weekly analysis, and then we did this analysis all yesterday around 8 p.m. So it's really really working. It's really working. And then VIX 100, I already told you guys that I did this analysis, and then I told you that market was going to continue to sell, and then it's selling massively, selling massively, selling massively. It's selling massively, guys, selling massively.
He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't
It's selling massively. I've been looking for I've been analyzing VIX 25 myself. I'm looking for sales. That's great. So with VIX 25 now, guys, the reason why I mostly push synthetics to some traders is because now synthetics, let's say the VIX aspect is very easy to make some kind of capital, and then you bring all the capital on gold so that you can smash gold with big lots, right? You can smash gold with some big lot sizes. But if you have $10, $20, and your capital is too small, then I recommend you to what, the synthetics platform. You trade the synthetics to generate some kind of capital and big income, and then boom, we move it to what, gold, and then we can take big setup. Because with VIX, if you took this setup with me from last week, I sent this setup last week Thursday, and I told you people that this setup is going to sell crazily. It's going to be banger. And then I did an analysis with a few friends, and then I told them that when VIX gets to this zone like this, it's going to possibility of it going up to retest the zone and then come down again is high. And it has done the same thing that happened with BTC. I shared the setup, and then I even posted on X that BTC is coming down to 70K. So it's awesome. It's awesome. If you are following me on all my pages, and then you are in my Telegram, and then you are in my VIP, I'm not sure you will miss these setups. I do share them almost all the time. So if you want to be getting these kind of setups that is going to help you get logged in the market, sometimes you don't need just the what do we call, the signals. Sometimes just the understanding that market is doing this and is going to sell alone can give you the motivation to what, sell, can give you the motivation to buy. So I am more of giving you the understanding and the reason behind what, the trade, than just to give you buy now, sell now. You do not grow in the understanding. So why am I saying that we are selling BTC here? Because one, I told you people when we had a meeting that this was where market got to. We had a breakout here, and this was where market broke out. And then you said that market came to retest the breakout, and it is dipping down. So it is a simple strategy. When you get to understand it, it's just simple. There's nothing complicated here. Market was in a what, a bullish move, and the market sold from that place. When it sold from this place, it came to break what, this level. When it broke this level, what must market do? Market came up and then retested the level, and then it's going down. And I'm expecting market to break this level again. If market is capable of breaking this level, then we are looking at market dropping to what, 70K. And it's simple. It's nothing complicated. All the setups that I took are not complicated at all. Trading is not supposed to be complicated. Trading is not supposed to be complicated. Trading is supposed to be simple. So, as I told you on gold, I'm still expecting what, gold sells, because I have not seen the bullish structure. this thing that is doing here is just basically is just a pullback. Okay, it's just a pullback. I'm not expecting more buys, but then still structure is key. Structure is key until market gives us a confirmation that okay, we are going to buy here. We are not buying. Okay, so when you come to the 2 hour time frame, you can see that I'm seeing some movements there, and then these movements are showing me of a clear indication that market might probably sell. Okay, market might probably sell, and if market give us the confirmation, we'll be selling fully on gold. We'll be selling massively, and so that is what I'll be doing. Let me go to daily so I see something on the daily. Sometimes I narrow myself with not looking at what market is doing on the higher time frames. So sometimes I end up being a little bit liquidity. Okay, so this is supposed to be the whole day. Okay, that's okay. So I'm expecting gold to sell to this place, and then we can look forward, or a little bit of rejections to the downside, then we can look for the buy. So the daily confirms my bias though. The daily confirms my bias, but I'm expecting it to come and fulfill. But what will be the confirmation? Okay, so I have two types of confirmations, right? I use the Fibonacci tool for confirmation, and then I use also my own TKS strategy, which I use to identify if market has given me what I call institutional moves and stuff. So I'll be just waiting for that institutional move, and then I'll be able to identify whether it has given me that clear direction to sell. But if it doesn't give me that institutional move, I'm not going to take the sales. Okay, it means that this setup will be invalidated. It's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. I'm still hoping that VIX 25 finalize the full TP. All I want is that VIX 25 should just hit full TP. Then I can tell them that those who missed the setup, they've missed it. Those of you who miss my setups, you don't join my live sessions, you're not in my VIP, you're not in my community, you're missing a lot because most of my setups are very, very good. I make sure I am analyzing well and giving you a good setup. The reason why most of the time I don't give a lot of setups is because I want to focus on the quality setups, not setups that are going to probably mess your account. So that is the reason why sometimes on VIX I take my time to get strong key levels, strong entries, and then we look out for what's the positions. So that is why sometimes I do waste some time in analyzing the markets and stuff, right? And this is VIX 10. If you are interested in synthetics, you can take my contact at the top here. You can take my contact at the top here, and then this is my support contact. You can connect with me, and then I'll add you to the synthetics page. If I get setups, you can just fund your synthetic platform with just $10. Okay, you fund it with $10, and then I'll give you sure setups that is going to help you make quality profit. Sometimes market can go against us. It's normal. It's not every day that the strategy will work, but almost all the time we do get some good entries. Possibility of you making some profits before probably break even, or maybe market rejecting and then hitting our stop loss is also normal. So this is how market is. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it be. Is he clear when the target out, he disappear. He training you, line by line, give him real knowledge. Guys, double tap, double tap. We are still at 14K, 14.4K. likes, guys. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, guys. Or you want me to do giveaway before you come, eh? Okay. I see, I see, I see. My eyes are open watching everybody that is active. My eyes are open. I'm watching everybody active, active. I'm watching everybody that is active. When the time comes and they are doing, I always say this thing, but people don't know. Yeah, I think the Mother's Day, I did a giveaway. I think to two people. It was just normal. Uh, I didn't basically do anything seriously about that. But I'll be watching. Yeah, those active when it comes to give out this right. Yes, the TKS is fire. And if I share with you the testimonies that a lot of people are giving about TKS is solid. You know, some of the guys, they are taking trades back to back. I can show you testimonies upon testimonies, TKS, and then some are flipping $30 to $300, flipping $10 to 200. You know, in TKS there is no door movement, right? I don't talk about TKS a lot because I want you to, you see, I'm not here to brag about the strategy. I'm not here to talk about what it being the best strategy or whatever, whatever. I just want you to trust and then come and then take the course. If you take the course yourself and then you see how it works, you will know. It's not like somebody is just talking. Okay, you will also be a testimony. You also testify. You also testify, right? It's simple with TKS. It makes the market very simple. You don't look for a lot of things. You don't look for a lot of things. I tell people that I have done almost all the strategies that you know on the market. All the strategies, the ICTs, the SMCs, and all over. I've tried almost all of them, but I refined and formed my own strategy that I use. Setup that we learn, they have a way of working, but then until you find to make your own strategy something that will work for you, you would always be doing guesswork market, and that's what I realized. You'll be doing guesswork on the market. So when I was able to discover and then refine my own strategy, the TKS strategy, and then I actually back tested it for getting to a year. It's a year and some few months, yeah. So a year and few months. Sometimes I say 2 years because when I discovered it, it was like that time, but I wasn't back testing. So if it comes to back testing, I back tested it for like a year and some few months, and then I started teaching it because I'm not going to be teaching something that is not working. Okay, now that's why I tell you people I can teach it's already and I didn't go and pay money to learn MC. Because if you go to YouTube, there is SMC there. If you go to YouTube, there is IC. Definitely, why would you go and pay for SMC, go and pay for ICT, go and pay? No. It's basically the same things that they are teaching online. So if you want to be taught on SMC, ICT concepts and all those Y-curves and all those common knowledge on the financial market, that one I can teach them for free. I would have a special sessions that I'll be teaching about these things, teaching about Fibonacci and all that for free. I don't need money on that because it's general knowledge. Whether it works for you or it doesn't work for you, that's the business. But when it comes to TKS, that is my own personal strategy that I have actually done. Then I am going to teach you the way I look at the market, the way I approach the market, the way I see everything on the market. So I'm teaching you my own strategy. And in this case, when I'm teaching you my own strategy, and please, I'm in a live stream, so I'll call you back. Yeah. So when I teach you my strategy, that one I'm teaching you something that I have personally trained myself with, and then it's going to. I know that I'm responsible in showing you the ways and means on how I approach the market and then to execute. So that is why I charge for TKS. But any other courses for it, I don't need to charge. It's not important. So if you want the beginner course, you want the intermediate course, just to understand the financial market, that one I can give it to you for free. I can let you join and study for free. So yeah, all those who want to learn, if you're a beginner, if you want to learn how to trade on the financial market for free, beginner, intermediate, all is for free. I can let you get the course for free. But if you want to trade like how I analyze the market, how I trade on the financial market using my own personal strategies, that's the TKS, that one you would have to pay for that special advanced mentorship. And that is the only thing I charge for. Simple. But apart from that, any other thing is just free. And so if you want free mentorship, free VIP, you can contact the support line, and then I would you'll be given the link, and then you join the main community, then you enjoy. I think the main community, the services I offer there is twice. I give two setups a week, and then with the VIP I give daily setups, daily premium setups every day. Setups, and then with the paid VIP, I give them the setups plus a little bit of informations and details that will make them feel VIP, and then they have direct access even to live trades with me to see where I enter the trade, how I executed my stop loss, how and all that. They get the access to that. That's the paid VIP. But the free VIP, you get the information, you get the setups, you get the signals, and it's normal. So let's see what BTC is still doing. BTC is dropping as expected. Dropping. Uh, guys, congratulations. BTC broke out from the zone, and we are targeting 70K, right? We are hitting 70K. That is what I'm expecting on BTC. BTC should get down to 70K, and that is where I am projecting to. BTC to 70K. I posted it on my X, and then my X, all of you who are not following me on my X platform, you can go and follow me. I'll be sharing almost all my analysis and my setups there on my X from now on, so that you guys know that these things are not a joke. If you have the skill, you have the right knowledge, you can analyze the market anytime, any day, because it's just a skill. It's a skill. You have to learn it. It's like asking a question about how a medical doctor is able to do operations, because he learned it. It's a skill. So guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. If you are enjoying the live stream, guys, give me some W's. Give me some W's, and also share the live. Share the live. Give me some W's. Give me some W's. Give me some W's in the chats, and then share the live stream. Share the live stream. So as I said, BTC is expected to hit 70K, and it's dropping massively. It's dropping massively. I'm seeing gold respond, and I told you the news about to happen. There is a news about to happen, and that is 12:30 news. And this 12:30 news might be a catalyst. Now I'm speaking like a prophet, man. I'm speaking like a prophet. It will be a catalyst, right? It will be the catalyst for the sale, right? So let's go to, yeah, possibility of my entry being a little bit far, or we missing entry from this sales is going to be very sad. So let me see something. Okay, I'm seeing something beautiful, but I want to see a clear sign here. still is not ready for what sales. So I'm seeing something beautiful, but I have to see something beautiful for sales. I have to see something beautiful for sales. There must be another sign for me to sell. So that is what I'll be looking for. I wouldn't be watching to sell from this place. I want market to get to this place, around this place, and then give me the sell. So BTC is responding perfectly, which is beautiful. I am expecting it to drop. So the 12:30 news is supposed to let BTC drop. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap, double tap, double tap and share the live. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap, guys. Double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Those of you who want to maybe take the trade and stuff, sometimes when I show the screen, you can screenshot it and then keep it down. Guys, you can screenshot it and then keep it, so that you when I come and I tell you I told you it will sell, and then maybe it didn't sell, you show me the screenshot, say you said that it will sell, it didn't sell. Give me proof, give me proof. I want you to screenshot and give me proof. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double the live. I'm expecting gold to buy a little bit and then get the drop. I was supposed to get a strong drop, a strong sell drop on this market. Market has not finally confirmed that it is going to sell, so still keep your this thing intact. Be careful, don't just jump into trades. Most of you, your major problem is that you just jump into trades. Like, you don't wait for confirmation, you don't see anything, you're not doing anything, you just decide no, you're jumping into a trade. Nope, it's a wrong attitude. Let's see VIX 25 how far. VIX 25 is responding at this level also. I want it to break out. I want VIX 25 to break out, so that we get the beautiful clarity. VIX 10 has also given us a little bit of rejection here, but I'm still expecting VIX 25 to come down, right? I'm expecting VIX 25 to come down. Stanleo X. BTC is going down. BTC is going down, going down. Let me check lab. Okay, lab is also doing beautiful. Supposed to give us a little bit bullish move to the top side, trigger us, and then we look for this for the sales downwards, right? I'm just hoping it doesn't start selling from here.
forex. He rides when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market.
Guys, double tap and share. Double tap and share. Stanleo Forex on the air.
Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get paid. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it bake. He see it clear, clear. Talking loud, he disappear. He training you, line by line. Give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he see it and he target. No right moves, he let the precision in his hands to repeat. Stanleo Forex,
Eagle on the market.
Stanleo Forex, right when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. Don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on line. When the capture the weak, inside in his lane. Fusion in traffic. He move like a king. He'll hit eyes on the bigger picture. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rides when the charge shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. Stanleo Forex on the track and face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't fluctuate. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it bake. He see it clear, clear. When the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you line by line. Give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he rides when the charge shift.
BTC is still dropping. BTC is dropping like ice. And gold is trying to respond to treatment. It's trying to go to the entry that I was talking about. So
when the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jump.
About 17 minutes more for the market to give us that what's the name? The news. So it's left with like 17 minutes more for market to give us the news. I don't want us to jump into a sell. This place is very possible. I'm looking at two levels, okay? This place where we are now, market selling from where we are now, or market coming up here. So this is very risk entry, okay? This is going to be a very strong risk entry setup. We are going in from here. So let's put SL around this place. This is going to be a strong cell setup. So this is a 1:3 raise to reward. I'm expecting this is going to have a lot of the SL is going to be huge. This is a safe region for smaller accounts, but this is going to be a risk entry setup if you want to take this. Let me see silver. What silver is also doing? Okay, silver is also responding. Silver has also started responding to the cells, and because BTC is pushing down, and so the drops are going to be massive. Gold has started the sales. I am still very skeptical market until market. Yeah, I share it on the Telegram, right? Let me see. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Mind sharp man, knows when to wait, when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't flow to the path, get made. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it bake. By lying, give him. Those of you in the community, I've shared it. I've shared it. Precision in his therapy. Stand up for it. Eagle on the market. Stand up for it. Right when the charge. Patience in his chest. Wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market. He on the market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market. Stanleo for X, you see it any target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory already. Okay, it has started dropping from there. This should be a kind of my major entry region will be this place, but this is also a good place to take their sales. So let's see, it's also 1:3. This is also 1:3. This 1:6, sorry. This one is to 6 point something, and this 1:3. So uh, sometimes that. Can you type the TP and SL? Oh, really?
track and face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't foster trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it shakes. One precise entry, then he let it bake. He see it clear, clear.
TP, I'm anticipating 4455.
Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, he see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo forex.
Okay, let's say 4454. Let's use 4454. And then the SL, I'm looking at 4, 5.
Jump on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, you see it any time.
That's for the first one. And then the second one is a risk-free one. You are looking at what? Our SL at 532. 2, and then TP at 543. 4453, and then entry at 522. 4522.
Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide.
So with this one, it's risk free, and this one the entry was
He see it clear, clear when the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you line by line, give him real knowledge.
4508.
Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, you see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory or repeat. Stanleo forex, eagle on the market.
So that is it. That is it on the market, guys. Double tap on the live. Double tap. Double tap. Double tap. Double tap. Double tap. If you enter into a trade like this, if you are in this trade and the market has given you a little bit of that's currently, let's say if you took it from this place, you are looking at about 80 pips or 86 pips, currently at 86 pips. So, or let's say 100 pips, if from the entry immediately I spoke about it and then you took it, you would be in what, about 110 pips. Okay, 110 pips. So if you are in 110 pips, you can set what you don't what but then you hold that if market is going to come to the top side here, or market is going to physically sell massively to the downside. Seven minutes more for the news to happen. We have 7 minutes for this first news. Oh, that has already happened. That is 7. Oh, sorry. There's no news around this time. This happened 12:30 a.m. So 12:30 a.m. There's no it's already happened. So 2 p.m. we are expecting the next news. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. we are expecting the next news. So we have about 1 hour something more
No rush move, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hands, victory. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, he ride watch it. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his thought. He don't chase the money on the market hard. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the killer flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, short or weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing.
Guys, double tap, and share the live. Double tap and share the live.
That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex, you see it any target. No rush moves.
Guys, double tap and share the live. 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 BTC has rejected a little bit, has pulled up a little bit. We still expect more sales. We still expect more sales. Guys, double tap, double tap, double tap. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live.
Stanleo Forex on a chart come face. Reach the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get paid. Right psychology, steady when it's
Guys, double tap on the live stream. Share the live, share the live, share the live. Silver is also pulling back. I think as BTC did the pullback, they are all rejecting a little bit. Let's see the volatility. Oh. Yeah, so we are about hitting TP on VIX 100. We are about hitting TP on VIX 100. We are also above. We are about hitting TP on VIX 25 and VIX 75. Has already got into my zone already and is reacting with buys. Let's go to VIX 10. Yeah, VIX 10 is also dropping, guys. VIX 10 is also dropping. You can see it. VIX 10 is dropping toward my key levels. VIX 10 is also dropping to my key levels, guys. VIX 10 is also dropping. Everything is on fire. Everything is on fire, guys. I think I didn't do analysis on this pair, JPNZD. Let's see. Oh, wow. Guys, double tap. Double tap and share the live. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the path get made. Right psychology, steady when it's shake. One precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear when the crowd get loud, he disappear. He training you. Up and share the live. Eagle on the market, Stanleo Forex, we see it and he target. No rush move, he let the pattern speak. Then in his hands, victory or repeat. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market, Stanleo Forex, he ride when
wanna charge him. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on market hard. Yeah. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot.
Guys, double tap and share the live. I'm sharing the setups.
Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market. Stanleo for X, you see it and he target. No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory on repeat. Stanleo for X, eagle on the market. Stanleo for X, he rides when the chart shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. Yeah. Stanleo Forex on the track and face. Reach the whole move, never move in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp mind. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He study the flow to the back get paid. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it play. He see it clear, clear. When the crowd get loud, he disappear. He train the youth, line by line. Give him real knowledge, no wasted time. Stanleo Forex.
Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. This is on a live SDT. I'm still looking at it massively.
He don't chase the market, he on the market hard. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it
Oh, VIX 25 is descending like that, like crazy. VIX 25 descending like crazy. VIX 25 descending like crazy. VIX 10 also dropping like water. And then VIX 75 also moving with the momentum it needs to. I think VIX 100 is responding at their level, this level too much. So possibility of we getting a rejection here and then continuation of a buy might be high. So fingers crossed on this. Gold also dropping massively. Gold dropping massively. Gold dropping massively. Gold dropping massively. Very beautiful, massive drop there. Gold is dropping massively. I'm giving about 6 or 7 analysis at the same time, guys. Guys, double tap and share. Double tap and share. I've given about 6 or 7 analysis at the same time, not just one setup. Guys, let's double tap and share. Let's double tap and share. 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 Gold also dropping. Currently, are supposed to be in a lot of profit. If you took it from here, around 100 pips, right? Around 90 to 100 pips. Gold has given us about 100 and something pips.
He's how to read the signs. Risk on point with the discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, inside in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing, yeah. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo for X.
Eagle on the market. I never
See it in his target. No rush, let the man speak. Precision in his hands, victory or repeat.
Eagle on the market.
Stanleo for X. He rides when the charge shifts. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he on the market hard.
So this one like this, I'm expecting it to give us a quality confirmation part, and then multiple cells downwards, multiple cells like strong cell move downwards. If you have the knowledge on the market, I'm telling you, there is no market you cannot analyze. I'm telling you, there is no market you cannot analyze. Not even one. You can analyze every. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Disappear. Oil. I did this analysis on oil and I've even forgotten that I did analysis. Yeah. Euro USD.
When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, inside in his lane. Turn confusion.
Guys, double tap. Thank you for the compliment on the song. Guys, double tap. You are not doing a good job for me today. We need to get to a wider range or a wider audience, and so you have to double tap. When you double tap, then somebody will also see and then join. Okay, so if you want us to reach a wider audience and then TikTok to promote the live stream and then let people know that okay, we are doing something good, that's why the support is here. Double tap. The more you double tap, the more TikTok sees that okay, this video is what is being loved, is being liked. So TikTok actually exposes the video to a wider audience so that other people will see it. Okay, so you realize that the number of people joining in is little because then the likes are too small for TikTok to promote it. So guys, do me the favors. Let's push it. I'm sharing a lot of analysis here. I'm sharing a lot of analysis that people can make money from. So guys, don't let because you are not tapping to limit somebody from meeting their own entries and all these stuff, right? Nigga on the market. Okay, I'm done with this. Let's go to this. Okay, guys, double tap and share the live. Stanleo Forex.
Reads the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hands, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, Knows when to slide, he don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He studied the flow to the path you made. Right psychology, steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it bang.
Yeah, you see, clear than the they disappear. I'm bad light. You get on the market, stand your correct. You get on the market, stand your correct. You live in the stand your correct. You get on the market, stand your correct. Analysis on Euro USD. Oh, you want me to analyze Euro USD, right? Okay, let's see what I'll see on that. Let's analyze Euro. There's a long-term setup on Euro USD, right? There's a long-term analysis on Euro USD. I'm looking for sales on Euro USD. I don't even have to come down. There is a strong sell move on Euro USD. So this is where market had what? Market had a breakout. So I'll be looking at this order block here. Okay. And then let me go to what? Weekly. Market came to tap in. Okay. Market tapped in and then went up. And then we had what? Another block here. Market tapped in also. Hey, that's strange, right? There's a lot of strange things happening on Euro USD. So this is why analyzing is very important. You have to be careful. So market tapped in at this level, went up, and then we had market reject at this place, give us a little bit of push up again, and we saw the position. We had a breakout was what here, and then we had another order block. So this was our order block here before the move, but then we can use this small one too as our order block. And then what happened? Market what dipped down. So let's go to daily. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. We can see that market as what? Market is giving us a kind of a 3-touch sell pattern, right? Let's look at this. This is a 3rd touch candlestick pattern with a trend line, right? We have 1, 2, 3, which is the drop. Now, what do we see here? So if we are supposed to come to 4-hour, I'm going to look at what? This place, markets touching into this place. I'm going to look at that, and then I'm going to look at what? This place, these two places. That's where I'm going to focus on right now. So let's go to 4-hour, and then what is happening? I'm seeing that market what? Reject this place. So what I'm going to be expecting is that markets should, if market what? Reject, comes to the top here again and then gives us a confirmation, then we are selling. But if market decides to what? Come down, if we come to the 4-hour, if we are going to be trading lower time frames, then within the 4-hour time frame, I'll be looking at what? Markets responding from this place. So I'm going to be expecting this. Now, if any sells, I'll be expecting a sell from on Euro USD. So this is going to be my setup on Euro USD, right? I want Euro USD to come to the top here, reject that place, and then sell. That's what I'll be expecting on Euro USD. Stanleo Forex. But unless maybe you want us to do live scalping. I hate scalping a lot because scalping can mess your account up. So if you guys are interested in doing scalping, let's go. We can do live scalping. I don't mind. I can just be analyzing and giving you the scalp entries if you are interested. But know that this is not a financial advice. Anything we are doing here. it keeping long to sell. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you just need to be patient for the market. You just need to be patient. Just watch the market play out. You just need to relax for the market to play out. Don't chase it. Just relax. It's trying to shape up for the market. So you just relax for it. Watch market play out. It will definitely play out, but then sometimes it will stress you. So don't worry. Just relax for the market. This one here, what it's doing here, we can be seeing that when market might buy. So if market closes in some way here, we'll be looking for what? The buys. And then we'll be expecting, if market doesn't break this place, then we'll look for the sells. But if market doesn't break and also reject again, then we know that the sells are active. Then we can sell. Okay. So now the buyers are going to be activated here because of what I'm seeing here. So when the buyers are activated, there, we look for what? The buys. If the buyers don't break this one, then we know that what? It is now perfect timing for us to wait for what? A correction here, and then we sell downwards. So it's perfect. It's very perfect. It's very perfect. Gold is pushing up like it's chasing after someone. Stanleo, for example, conference. Guys, do you want us to do a live scalp, like live scalping? If you want us to do live scalping, let me know. I was asking about it. If you want us to do live scalping, so that we scalp. Ziegler, disappear. Bye bye light. Stanleo Barracks, he get on the market. Stanleo Barracks. Let's do. You want us to do the live scalping? Live scalping. I analyze it right now. We do the scalp, pop, you enter trades, right? Let's do it. If you are interested in live scalping, let's do it. What pair should we do the live scalping? No scalping, right? Sunset pin, no scalp. Gold might do justice at that place. Gold might sell massively from that place. I don't know why. It's looking like it might not go to the top there. The ones that are not very volatile, we should do the scalping on. So which ones are not volatile? Tell me which markets we have that is not volatile, so that we do scalping on. Okay, USD JPY. Should we do it on USD JPY? Stanleo Forex on that. Okay, let's go to USD JPY. Let's see if we can do some some scalp on USD JPY. But it's too slow. It's too slow. How are you going to be trading it? It's too slow. We need a fast one to get quick movement. Right? USD JPY is too slow. So which one should we look at? US 30. It's also a kind of a this thing. So which one should we analyze? Let's do live scalping. I just want us to test the TKS scalping method. Yes, let's do gold scalping, right? Let's do gold scalping. me move from this chat space. Let's go to ouch, ouch, ouch. Let's go to let's test TKS scalping. Vix, you want us to do Vix scalping? Let's do gold. Let's do gold. I feel gold. Let's go to 5 minutes, okay? Let's go to 5 minutes. It's raining here. So with this scalp, I would prefer if this market is set for sales, okay? If maybe market will sell to this place, scalping is dangerous, so please look out. Scalping is dangerous, so be careful with scalping if we are doing it. This is a good one for me for a sell to this place, not too far. I'm expecting it to sell to this place. Let's see 3 minutes. With scalp, when you see some quick movements, and then you see that if market gives you some amount of profit, and then we see that there is a kind of reversal, we exit the trade. We exit. We don't hold on. Market is giving us clear rejections at that place. It's good. It's a good thing. So let's still watch out. Speed up. Still expecting it to drop from there. Based on what I'm seeing. So yeah, good day. Hey, with scalping, I cannot be typing, because sometimes it will just move. With scalping, I cannot just type it, guys. I cannot type scalping. I beg you. This is 3 minutes. Before I even type, now the movement has already done, guys. So the scalping is basically fast, and then swift. We are doing it in a 3 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. So this how it's moving. Gold is not like some of these pairs that will be doing slow. Gold fast, then it's gone. So this one like this, it will shock you because it has done that multiple up and down. You by the time you realize it is down at TP already, because this is three this thing. 3 minutes, 5 minutes, okay. So this one can decide to sell massively to this place. I'm expecting it selling to this place, this other block here. I'm expecting it to sell and then trigger the TP here. Just a small movement. It has already come there already, and market has rejected countless times. And I'm expecting more sales, like sell to the downside immediately. Okay, that's what I'm expecting. Right now, let's God of markets, my boss B. As God of markets come the market down there. How I go fit see set up? God of markets. As you come right now, how I go fit see set up? I beg you. How bro? So I'm expecting it to drop from there. If it gives me this structure like this, it's beautiful here. Okay, there's a scalp trade. I beg you, don't use your main account to trade and blow it. I beg you. It's a scalp trade, so you can just be scalping. Market has given us this is not a long trade. From it came up into entry, so there's like 100 pips. Hey, is it 100 pips? No, that's like 17 pips. Yeah, what's up? What's up? Hello? Yo, what's up? No. I did live stream, sir. Check your this thing. Check out. We know nobody touch them, so check out. So enter again. I will go base map because we not touch them. So okay. Guys, you can see the move, right? The move is crazy. You can see that the cells have dropped, man. Serious cells here. Serious cells here. This strong cells on good. The scalp is crazy. TP will get hit right now. Don't worry. TP will get hit right now. There's like some 50 pips, 60 pips setup, right? Market will just trigger TP and then we are done with this scalp setup. Huh? You want us to do mix? This. Oh boy. I'm expecting it. This is my level, you know. That's the other block I'm waiting for market to tap in. But I'm waiting for it to just do liquidity small. It shouldn't just leave us here. Yes, good boy. Give us liquidity down here. Strike. Come on. Full TP. We took oh, it didn't take that. Okay, done. Okay, full TP taken. So congrats to everybody that took the scalp trade. We've taken a TP live. In just 3 minutes, we are done with about 60 pips. This was a 60 pip setup. 60 pip setup. Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Double tap and double tap. 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 We just had a good one here. This was a very simple scalp trade. I just discovered it and it's powerful. It just what's happening? Gold is dropping like ice from the first entry I gave, right? The entry I gave. VIX 25. VIX 25, as I said. VIX 25. It's crazy. I don't know why most didn't. I don't know why most of you didn't take the VIX 25 setup. VIX 25 is almost our TP. It's almost getting to our final TP, guys. It's getting to our final TP. market, Stanleo Forex. Guys, so VIX 25. You want us to do the this thing on VIX 25, the scalp. So let's do scalp on VIX 25 also. I think gold scalp has been activated. We are done with it. So let's do scalp on VIX 25.
Stanleo forex on the chart.
Compare.
Reads the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hand, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles.
Okay, so 5 minutes time frame on VIX 25. 5 minutes time frame on VIX 25. What am I seeing? Okay, let me go to 5 minutes. Let me go to 5 minutes and then see it clear. Okay, so I'll be watching what VIX will do here. I'm still, my bias on VIX 25 is sales, so I'll be watching what VIX will do here. I'm looking at these two zones here. There is a lot of consolidation that happened around this place, so I'll watch how markets come into that place for something. But I'll look at this down here. If market is capable of what, going down or giving us a rejection, then we look out for what, a possible buy entry to maybe this place or any of these zones. Then we look for what, sales. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market, Stanleo Forex. Eagle on the market, Stanleo Forex. Okay, so I might do again. I might go against the direction of VIX 25. That is risky, but I'm waiting for a clear this thing here. If not, we are going to sell. Okay, I'm waiting for a clear pattern. If not, we are going to sell. If not, we are going to sell massively. We are going to sell massively, guys. I think I'll be going offline a little bit. I don't know. I would set a specific time. This month of June, I'll be online a lot. Those of you who want to be taking scalp trades and then swing trades and all the type of setups available, Charlie, I'll be online for you guys. I'm going to give free setups online. When I come and then I see, we'll be doing scalp. If we see, if the swing is not coming, we'll do scalp. If the scalp is not coming, we'll do day trading. We will apply all the things that we've learned here. Are you getting it? So that most of you will see that like the trading thing we talk about is not like we are joking. We get it. It's not like we are joking. Yeah. So I'm looking at this place right now, what market to do. I could have just jumped in, but not important. Let's go to 3 minutes so that I have guys, double tap on the live stream. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Okay, so beautiful one there. Beautiful one there. I need to get a confirmation and then we buy. If we don't get the confirmation here, I can't buy from there. To give us a confirmation, because I've seen a clear confirmation at this place for the sales. But let's see if we will get the confirmation for a buy or the sellers will take it downwards. Yeah, on 3 minutes, so I'm still watching. Yeah. Is it gold that you are going to play with? Gold is gold your mates. Oh shit. So we have seen this the cells which is the zone. I'm waiting for cells from look for cells.
Reads the whole move, never moves in haste. Patience in his hand, clean mind, sharp eye. Knows when to wait, knows when to slide. He don't chase candles, he don't force the trade. He studied the flow to the path you made. Right side,
Okay.
steady when it shake. One precise entry, then he let it break.
Ziegler. Disappear.
He traded you.
I bet like you. I think it will be a good time for some buyers. Let's see if we can buy to this place. This is a risk entry one. It has not fully formed, but trend just a little. You can risk it, and then you just watch out for markets. Oh, don't do that. I'm just hoping it doesn't continue the bearish move. But this is a good sign for me. If it continues to give us some bullish movement to the top, it's a good sign for me. But if it changes, then it's bad. It means that the sellers are in. The sellers are going to take it down. Automatically, the direction is sells. So I'm not supposed to look for buys. But this is just a little bit of pullback, trying to do a counter trend. VIX 25 wants to mess up. It's normal. It's going its direction. Should have just moved with it. Counter trends, bad. But I'm still expecting it to go up if it gives me the rejection, fine. But then SL will hit say bang. Down as it's supposed to. We did a counter trend and then we failed. You cannot go against the trend. SL hit say bang. Risk on point with a discipline line. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down, simple show weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane. Turn confusion into profit, turn pressure in the game. Walking like a jungle, he move like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing raw. Eyes on a bigger picture, hands on a patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves for you. Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex. See any target, no rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision is every Stanleo Forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo Forex. Rise when the chart shift, passion in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't take the market, he hold the market hard. I'm already in a sell on gold already. That's why I'm not actually bothered. I'm already in a sell already on gold. I'm already in a sell on gold on almost two accounts already. So that's why I'm untapped. I already know the direction on gold already. I entered from last week sales and then market open like that. So I'm not perturbed about anything. That's why I'm not entering any trade because I'm in a sell on gold already. And I'm running in profit already. So this one, as I got hit, it went against the direction. So even though I knew market was going to sell, I still wanted to be. Let's go to VIX 10, VIX 100, right? When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane, turn confusion into profit, turn pressure in the game. Market like a jungle. Okay, VIX 100. Let's do VIX 100. So VIX 100, let me go to higher time frame and see what is happening. He's on you, I never what the price action I'm seeing here can be a possible buy. I don't know, but I see something like a buy on this market. I will need a confirmation before we can jump in. This here is giving us a very good structure. So let me see in 2 minutes and 2 hours. You have a strong setup here. Market has come to this zone, very beautiful. I'm looking forward. Oh, a continuation pattern. This is also, if market is going to sell, it must what retest this place and then sell. So possibility of buying to this place. Gold and guys, gold has just dropped. Gold has just joined. Gold is dropping like crazy. Guys, check gold. It's dropping like crazy. No drawdown on the setup, man. No drawdown on this one. That's how many pips from this place? Almost 550 pips. Currently, gold is around 300 pips. If you entered the trade, you should have made about 300 and something pips right now. If you entered the sell trade on gold, you could have made 300 pips right now. Your stop loss and then break even must all be set and then stuff. So you could take break even, you could take partials. I'm looking at gold selling more to this place. I think the second entry, which was a safer zone, we missed it because always I tell you risk entry and safe entry. Sometimes you better do the risk entry because safe entries might not get market might not get to the safe entry and then you miss the whole setup. So guys, this was shared live here, and BTC is also dropping drastically. That is beautiful. I'm expecting it to drop down. Let's go. Let's go, BTC. Let's go. 70K on the dots. Let's go. Lab. Lab. Lab is also reacting massively. I just pray. Okay. Did it get triggered? It didn't trigger. Lab didn't trigger. Oh. Lab didn't trigger. Oh. Lab didn't trigger. Oh. But it's at the zone that I was talking about. So let's see. BTC drop. Gold is also dropping as expected. We have some few minutes more, like let's say 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 something minutes for a news at what? The news at 2 p.m. We have a news at 2 p.m. and the news is what? This is the news. ISM manufacturing PMI. So let's expect it. Oh, I need you for you. You get on the market. Gold just dropped massively from the entry we gave right now. It has given us about 300 pips. Those of you who took the risk to take the first entry setup, you would have been in profit right now, over 300 pips just now. And so let's still look at it. I'm looking at BTC dropping massively. BTC is still playing around the 72, 71,000. I'm expecting a massive drop for it to get to 70,000. That's when I'll feel okay. I'll feel okay when BTC gets to 70,000. Then I can have my bragging rights that I said that BTC was going to get to 70,000 and it got to 70,000, right? Stanleo Forex on the config. VIX is approaching final TP, man. Woo! That's crazy on VIX 25. VIX 25. It's approaching our final TP. That's I'm expecting it to get to 268 something. So VIX 5 26. Let me see how many pips we from entry that I gave from last week. I don't know how does these people read their pips. I'm confused. I can't read the pips here. Let's see. I share set up to, so I'm keen knowing how it's going. Just because of the setup. Woo! Beautiful cells there. Beautiful cells there. This beautiful for it to be selling massively like that. It's beautiful. I'm expecting more drops, at least by the end of the day. If it gets to this place, it's going to be massive for me. Let's go to VIX 10. Oh, VIX 10 is pulling up. VIX 10 is pulling. It's not pushing down fast. It's supposed to push down for us. Let's go to VIX 100. VIX 100, where it is the possibility of buyers are going to be tight. Go to Big 25, Big 75. Big 75 has also confirmed a structure there. So very beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. All setups are very beautiful. All the setups are looking very beautiful. Silver is also running. Silver is also running. Very beautiful setup on silver too. Silver is also dropping. Yeah, man. With silver setup, it never invalidated from last week. Oh. This setup was given on last week Friday, and then silver never validated. It nearly took us out because of a spike. But I'm hoping that by 2 p.m. the news that is going to be a catalyst for the going to be sales. And so now that I'm seeing on gold and the rest, there is a catalyst that's going to push it, and it's already inside. It's already infused in the technicals, and that's what a lot of people don't know. When it comes to the news and all that, it is already infused. They've already injected it already. So before news will come, it is going to follow the direction that it has already given. And so this one like this, the news is going to propel it to sell more. The news that is coming is going to cause market to sell more than market to buy. I'm just saying this is not a financial advice. This is my bias on gold and then silver. I'm expecting more sales, more sales, more sales, like more sales, crazy sales. Come on now. Silver also dropped, man. Guys, you are not sharing the life. You are not sharing the life. Are we having traders here? Are we having traders here? Guys, double tap and share the live. Double tap and share the live. Guys, double tap and share the live. I'm sharing some good informations here.
No rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Precision in his hand, victory on repeat. Stand up for it, eagle on the market. Stand up for it, ride when the chart shift. Patience in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't check the market, he own the market line. He teaches mentees how to read the signs. Risk on point with a discipline aligned. When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weak and hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane, turn confusion into profit, turn pressure in the game. Market like a jungle, he moved like a king. Sharp on the detail, hear the whole thing sing raw. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why he market moves for you. Eagle on the market, see it any target.
Guys, you are not sharing the live. You are not pushing the live. Guys, double tap and share. I've shared almost about 6 live setups live here, and most of you are not even sharing it to people to join. Guys, share it to your friends, share it to your traders, share it to a lot of people who want to start trading. Anybody that you know is interested in trading. Gold is selling massively. Gold has given about 400 pips live. All of you were here when we did this setup live. Gold has given us 400 pips live on the first entry. 400 pips live. 400 pips. That's 419 pips live right now, guys. It's 419 pips. 419 pips. Gold has sold massively. And then I'm still anticipating that BTC will sell to 70,000, which I'm still saying. This is just a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. This setup is just a 1:3 risk to reward ratio. I am already in a sales already, so I'm not perturbed about anything. Look at the drop, guys. Look at the drop. Look at the drop, guys. Guys, you should all be in profit, man. You should all be in profit. Look at the drop. Serious. Guys, over 450 pips right now. 450 pips. This one, guys, Uh, hmm. Most of the people that I am expecting to be online to be taking the trades, they are not online. They are not taking the trades. This is 450 pips, and gold has dropped massively, 450 pips. The whole target for this setup is about 540 or 550 pips. So market, we are waiting for market to smash 550 pips, right? 550 pips live. The second entry was a risk-free entry, which I spoke about because I was looking at market go market actually trade that was 50 pips. Immediately we just took that trade on gold. So we took a 60 pips scalp trade just now, and then we took a VIX 25 scalp. That is a buy, but then the stop loss was invalidated, and then we are in on this one. I'm expecting a serious massive drop. VIX 25 is supposed to hit final TP soon. Okay, it's dropping like ice. It's dropping like ice. Guys, double tap and share the live stream. Double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap. Guys, double tap. Guys, double tap, 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 double tap. We are expected to hit final TP on VIX 25 soon. VIX 25 final TP soon. Let's hit VIX 25 final TP. VIX 25 final TP. Let's go. And gold is dropping like ice. We get into full TP. Go get into full TP. That's awesome. That's awesome. This one was shared live here. I think when this one finish full TP, I'll be off the stream because it seems most of you are not interested to trade. Most of you are not interested to trade. This is the main reason why I decided not to be coming online, because it seems most of you, we are forcing you to trade. Shining for So gold has given us about total of let's say 39 pips, 439 pips just now. And silver, let's see what silver has also done. Wow, silver has also dropped like serious. Guys, I'll be off, right? It seems most of the traders I wanted to be online are not even online, meaning I'm wasting my energy online. Wasting my energy online.
When the candle flick, he don't lose the plot. He break it down simple, show the weekend hot. Knowledge in his voice, insight in his lane, turn confusion into profit, turn pressure into gain. Market like a jungle, he moved like a king. Sharp on the detail, hit the whole thing sing rough. Eyes on the bigger picture, hands on the patient formula. When the room get hungry, he stay true. That's why the market moves
For you, value forex, eagle on the market, Stanleo forex.
no rush moves, he let the pattern speak. Stanleo forex, eagle on the market. Stanleo forex, rise when the chart shift, passion in his chest, wisdom in his heart. He don't chase the market, he own the market hard.
Guys, I'll be going off a while. We go for a while. You're learning. Okay. I'm personally learning trade analysis. Oh, okay. That's great. That's great. I don't know. The people, my people are supposed to be active online. I don't know. It's Monday. Most of them are less active. Most of them are off. Most of them are kindly, maybe, probably they are in work or thing. I don't know. But I'm expecting a lot of them to be mostly active, because what's the essence of even giving the setup when most of them are not going to be actively joining? That's the thing. So the main aim of having the live stream is just to get them engaged, to get the setup, and then let them trade. But it seems most of them are inactive, or maybe they are busy. Most of them, and then some of them went off. So it's normal. But I think we'll be hitting full TP soon, guys. We'll be hitting full TP. When we hit full TP, I'll be off. Silver is dropping. Almost all the setups I shared today are all hitting like levels, right? Almost all the setups I shared today are actively going crazy on the market. So guys, if you join and then you take advantage, you can make money. Those of you who are serious, you join, you make money. If you are not serious, um you just be online, and then you just be following stuff. So I've shared almost 6 or 7 setups today, and all of them are moving directly. But it doesn't matter. I'll still be coming online regularly. I'll come regularly. I think most of them just don't know that I do come online, so I'll just be coming regularly so that it becomes something formal. Yeah, because I used to come online and I stopped, so it became like, okay, Stanley doesn't come online again. So let's still look at it. Um, okay, so guys, thank you all for joining today. I'll be off. I have to go and do some few stuffs, and then probably we will be having more live streams this month. Only if the response is massive, I'll be having more live trades. So let's stay active. Those of you who want my free VIP, you can text this number. If you want the mentorship too, you can also text me and all that, and then I would see to it. So thank you. Congrats to everybody that took the trade. If you took the sell trade on gold, um, you've made some profit. If you took the VIX setup too, you should be in profit. If you took the VIX 100 too, you should be in profit. If you took the VIX 75, you should have taken profit. If you took the VIX 10, you should have broke even right now. And then if you took the BTC trade too, you should be in massive profit. The silver trade, you should be in massive profit. Almost all the pairs that I have shared, all of them, you should be in profit. Today must be your profitable day. And so Guys, thank you all for joining. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody for joining. And then I think I'll keep it more active. I'll be coming online more, and I'll be sharing some setups as long as I see the setups. And so thank you all for joining, and then see you another time.